Greetings Earthlings and welcome back. My name is Casey if you are new here, and today I'm going to show you how to get this makeup. To prime my eyes, I'm going to be using the Benefit Stay Don't Stray Eye Primer. Ooh, my lids are so oily right now. And I just like to use my pointy finger to blend the primer in. I don't want to disturb anything right there, so I just kind of tap. And then I am going to take a little bit of that loose powder and I'm going to set my eyeshadow base. And the reason why I set my eyeshadow base with the loose powder is to reduce the tackiness, so when we go to lay our eyeshadows down, they can move around easy. Okay, so I am going to take, alright, so I'm going to take Sunkissed. And I'm taking the E2 brush from ColourPop, and I'm going to take that just above the crease. Back and forth. Using that same brush, I'm going to pick up Mimosa Mommy, and this is going to go right here in this inner corner to brighten that up. And then I'm going to take a clean brush. This is the ColourPop E13, and I'm just going to blend the edges out. I'm barely putting any pressure, by the way. Next, I'm going to take Zested on my ColourPop E10 brush. I'm going to take that onto the brow bone, and I'm taking this all across the brow bone and underneath my inner brow. And just using this shade to blend. Next, I'm going to take Clementine. I'm going to press that over the orange we just did. Next, I'm going to go in with You Peel Me. These names are so cute. I'm going to pack this onto the lid. And then I'm going to take Rise and Grind. And I'm going to take that right into the crease. Bring it up. And I'm going to start like just blending this outer edge with this color. And then I'm going to take more of that Clementine with my ring finger, and I'm going to pack that on here. Next, I'm going to take You Peel Me into that outer crease, just darkening up the outer eye a bit. I'm just going to knock away the loose powder. Okay, so for my under eye area, I'm gonna take this small ColourPop E10 brush again. I'm gonna pick up You Pill Me, and I'm going to smudge this onto the lower lash line. I'm gonna take the Benefit Bad Gal Bang 24-hour eye pencil in deep brown. Next, I'm gonna take my Kat Von D ink liner in Hemingway. Going to take my Revlon So Fierce mascara, do a quick coat on my lashes, and then I'm going to apply the 614. I forgot the brand, but I'll put them in the description box below. I'm going to use the ColourPop Lippie Stixx in Parker. Lower lash mascara. Milk Lit highlighter to my brow bone and the inner corners of my eyes. I'm going to use the ColourPop E10 brush.